Dictation. Part 1. Listen and write the words you hear. Number 1. Cape. Number 2. Tail. Number 3. Bay. Number 4. Race. Number 5. Sail. Number 6. Spray. Number 7. Lake. Number 8. Wait. Part 2. Listen to the audio and circle the correct word. Number 1. Bake. Number 2. Mail. Number 3. Race. Number 4. Crayon. Number 5. Wait. Number 6. Tape. Number 7. Gray. Number 8. Train.